Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To shush. Amelia and Noah are in a crowded library. They're studying for their exams. I'm so nervous, Noah. I don't know if I'm ready. We'll do fine. We just have to study a lot. Well, I can't concentrate with all this noise. What gives? This is the library. You're right. It is a bit loud in here. I'm gonna go over there and shush them. This is ridiculous. Be gentle about it. They might not even realize they're being noisy. Quiz time! What does to shush mean? To confront someone? To tell someone to be quiet? To make noise? To start a conversation? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To tell someone to be quiet. Verb details. We often shush someone, shush a noisy group. To shush means to tell someone, often in a rude or angry way, to be quiet. We can shush someone or tell someone to shush. This verb sounds like the sound we make when we shush someone. Shh. When was the last time you had to shush someone? Share your experience in the comments below. How did it go? What was their reaction? Examples. Amelia shushed the noisy group in the library. We had to shush the loud people in the movie theater. He was shushed for talking during the movie. Tell that dog to shush. He's barking too loud. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Crowded. Filled with many people. We'll do fine. We'll do all right. What gives? What's the situation? Be gentle. Don't use force. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.